How to stop someone from calling you without blocking them. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch your phone application on your device and simply tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner and then select on settings. As you select on settings, you can scroll down to see all the options. Now, as a tap on accessibility, there's no option over here. So, unfortunately, there's no direct option to stop someone from calling you without blocking them. We'll have to block them if we want to stop them from calling you. But the other way around that you can do is you can simply launch the settings application on your device, and as you launch the settings application, scroll down to sound and vibration. Now, as you tap on sound and vibration, scroll down and tap on the option of do not disturb and make sure that you toggle on this option. You can also tap on the notify about calls option where you can tap on it and you can just tap on from contacts only, and then you'll be able to see that you'll be able to stop other person from calling you without blocking them. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.